Mountain Series medical kits provide you with the highest quality first aid supplies and medical information based on the most current guidelines in wilderness, emergency, and travel medicine. The Hiker is built for weekend warriors, a must-have companion when you and a friend hit the trail for a day or two. Every kit features a unique external map listing all its contents. Inside the kit are semi-transparent pockets that are organized and labeled by injury, so you know exactly where to reach. The wound care pocket features EMT shears, a variety of wraps and bandages to immobilize and support fractures, and pre-cut moleskins to treat hot spots and blisters. Adventure Medical Kit's exclusive manual, a condensed guide to wilderness medicine, is a must-have resource, packed with valuable information on diagnosing and treating the most common and serious injuries affecting backpackers and hikers. It's like having a doctor in your bag. Including medications to treat itches, pain and fever, and inflammation. Cuts and scrapes items include our easy access bandages, butterfly closer bandages, antiseptic wipes, and antibiotic ointment. Stop bleeding fast with a trauma pad and nitrile gloves.
What's the first thing they teach you in Scouts? Always be prepared. You never know when you might end up spending a night under the stars, planned or otherwise. That's why Titan Survival's extra thick emergency sleeping bag is a must-have for survival kits and go bags. Originally developed for the NASA space program, Titan's sleeping bag is 47% thicker than the leading competitive brands and will reflect up to 90% of your body heat back towards you when used properly. Each sleeping bag comfortably fits a single adult. The tear-resistant and reusable fabric can be rolled and stowed back into its drawstring bag for multiple uses. Whether you're ready or not, life happens. Don't get caught off guard. Prepare ahead of time. Titan Survival.
This is the Tri-Tip from Gerber. As a multi-tool company, anything we build needs to have more than one use. That's what led us to make a mini cleaver that goes beyond the kitchen. The Tri-Tip blade has two functions, a beveled leading edge for scraping and a full fine edge for cutting. The aluminum handle is textured for added grip and less slip while working. It's available with 2 handle colors and 2 blade finishes. The multi-mount sheath can be configured for scout carry or tip down. From meal prep to DIY, the Tri-Tip will help you tackle any challenge that comes your way.
This is a Zune Low-2 Annihilate military shovel. Made for more than 20 processes. With 15 functions, it's suitable for military and survival rescue. The shovel surface is made with the 3rd generation fine-grain casting technology, which has amazing strength with a built-in high polymer anti-skid sleeve. Inner oblique line axe edge design. Slashing penetration increased by 45%. The induction temperature at the blade edge reaches 1300 degrees centigrade. The effective hardness is HRC 60. Cutting-edge design with a high sharp angle, forming an inner curved blade for cutting. Make it easy to destroy objects with fibers. 6-speed shift key design. No need to remove lever handle. Press the shift key lightly. Multi-angle adjustment of shovel surface can come true. Agility like a part of the arm. 3D, three-dimensional casting. The thickness reaches to 1.3 centimeter, like backs of the human body. It can easily support the weight of an adult. The second lever is equipped with tactical assault knife, which is Bowie knife type design. It is made from X155 CRV MO121 steel, produced by the Ruhr Industrial Zone in Germany. Extremely sharp. The third lever is equipped with rescue whistle, used for warning, distressing, and scaring beasts. The tail handle is equipped with a German fire rod. You can fire with the sawtooth of the tactical knife. The temperature produced by instantaneous friction can reach 1000 degrees, which is enough to ignite a fire switch. No matter where you go, take it with you will be the best choice. With Supercraft and German quality, it can follow you around for a long time.